Okay, hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We're 8 hours from home. Noticed a misfire on the old Volvo, and we're going to replace set of spark plugs on this thing right here in the Advanced Auto Parts parking lot. So the gentleman there was very nice and let me borrow some tools. The front are going to be super easy. The rears, not so much, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. Be very gentle with these because they're very brittle. Already running into a problem with one. And we just got done driving it, so it's fantastically hot. Okay, coil packs are unplugged. Go ahead and get these out. I'm glad they were 10 millimeters. And who knows, this is probably the original plugs. So, it's good to do it anyway. Overall, the old Volvo did great on the way down. We got new tires put on it while we were here. And it drives so much smoother. No shaking the wheel like we had 8 hours on the way down the highway. So it ought to be a nice drive back tomorrow. Just pop out then. Wasn't very tight. Wasn't really gripping the plug. Nope, that one wasn't either. Good. See, these should be firmly pressed on to the spark plug, which they were not. You can see how loose it is in there, and you can just pull it up. So those were not sitting on there properly, but we already bought the plugs, so we're going to go ahead and replace them anyway. I'm going to have to go in there and get a magnet because this doesn't have the rubber in it to hold the plug in the socket. But not anytime soon. Now we need to figure out how to get these plugs out of here. I'm going to go inside and look for a magnet. I found a screwdriver. It's kind of magnetic. Is it enough magnetism? It is not. Shove it in the socket, and that should grip enough. Or just shove it all the way in there. Ooh, almost had it. Definitely the originals. Volvo. And they look okay. And a little tan. A little really hot. All equal. All get the same burn. Now what we're going to do is fire it up. Just kidding. You want to put them in the socket. You don't want to slam them down in there because it could bend the strap on them. BFE, Tennessee. It's installation of what we just did. Okay, plugs are in. See if we can get these coil packs to actually click down onto the plug. That would help. Yeah, a little bit. A little bit better than it was. I really do like this car. I mean, it is a little over-engineered in some spots, but overall it's been a decent car. And therefore the engine's trying to compensate. The idle speed down lower might help, but first you gotta have a scan tool to do it. Everything is being torqued to spec. You heard the clicks here first. Cover back on. Okay, now it's time for the back set. Everything's hot. I think it may help us if we take this bracket off here. It holds the coil pack wiring. Ouch. There we go. Hot. Just kind of doing it blind because I can't see the bolts. Cummins. I don't even have to look at it. I know it's a Cummins. I can hear it. Duramax. A lot of diesel pickups around here. A lot of Toyota pickup trucks around here. A lot. Again, the coil pack was just chilling on top of the plug. Oh. Pull up the coil packs. It doesn't matter where these go on the plug because the computer already determines that when it fires the coil, so you don't have to worry about mixing those up. Oh, a little bit of oil on that one. Another good looking plug. All right, I found a magnet. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. That oil's from the valve cover seeping down into the hole. See if we can get our stubborn plug out. Nope, it's not unthreaded enough. There's our plug. Although I think there's more paper in there. All right, let's make sure we got the paper out of there. I don't feel anything on the screwdriver. I think we're safe. No paper got into the cylinder, but even if it did, it just chew it up and spit it out, I'm sure. Okay, you know the deal. 4 more plugs going in. Got a good hold on it. Now, so I can put my finger in there and kind of guide it down. Bending every strap. It's fine. Okay, if I'm being honest. And we just praying to the Lord that it ain't a coil pack, because I don't have any more money. I'm off of eBay, the cheapest I can find. Okay, plugs are in. Time to put the coil packs back on. Yeah, drop one of these. Since that coil's not sitting down there firmly, we'll definitely have a misfire. Okay, big brake. All right, coil packs are in. We're just going to plug them back in now. Put our little holders down, back in. All right, put the old beautiful cover back on. All right, see if it runs. Well, that means we did everything correctly here on this job today. I was going to do it for this here video down here in Tennessee. I'm going to clean these tools up, get them back into the man, and we're going to be out of here. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. And remember to like and subscribe.